the Atomic Energy Act is planned to be amended in order to involve the private sector. That's a huge departure from the policy that the successive governments over the last half a century or so followed. In the belief that atomic energy or the nuclear energy was the department which was essentially meant to function behind a wheel of confidentiality. But given a global scenario and India envisaging for itself a global role, we have to go by the global strategies, global parameters. Therein is this decision. Then you have also set in the same budget target of producing 100 gigawatt of nuclear energy or nuclear power by 2047. That again is a huge message across the globe. But look here, India is now no longer a follower. Yeah. It can give cues, it can give leads. It's now in a position to lay down targets, unlike what it was earlier. And also it's going to raise India's esteem, because in matters like nuclear energy, like climate, like green energy, we were not taken very seriously. The world thought that these were beyond our comprehension or our capacity. But now, we have come of age. So I think simultaneously, the same single announcement is going to address the economy. Of course, it's going to lead you to 2047. It's going to be a big stride. It is going to add to your green energy potentials. And it's also going to raise your esteem in the world and give you a wider global role. And similarly, as I said, futuristic. You have duty exemption on cobalt, on lithium scrap. So all these things are in that direction where the world is moving on, while at the same time not losing sight of the traditional ethos. Like, for example, you will have a digital repository of traditional Indian knowledge. So this is something that Prime Minister Modi has been emphasizing time in and time out repeatedly. He's been reiterating that we have to carry Virasat along with Vikas. Yes. So and that is our advantage, our exclusive asset compared to any other country in the West. So we have the ethos in place, and then we are trying to preserve them through digital means. The nuclear energy mission itself is going to be a huge message for the rest of the world, and something which could have happened only from Prime Minister Modi, because that's exactly what he did when he was when he decided to unlock the space sector. So it's virtually unlocking the nuclear sector, while at the same time being very mindful of the Indian concern. And as far as the solar and other part that you are mentioning, there is also, if you remember in the budget, there was a mention of green tech manufacturing, which would involve solar, which would involve like e-batteries, lithium batteries, and also the nuclear energy. Because if we are moving in that direction, we have to increase our share of green source energies, which is not so.